Assalamu alaikum. You are listening Radio Sada Hurriyat Jammu Kashmir. I am Ibn Salam with Kashmir Update. In Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, the all parties Hurriyat Conference and other Hurriyat leaders and organizations, while paying rich tribute to the victims of massacre of Chota Bazaar in Srinagar on their 30th martyrdom anniversary, have reaffirmed the Kashmiris' resolve to continue their struggle till complete freedom from Indian yoke. On this day in 1991, the Indian troops, after an alleged clash with unknown attackers at Zanakadal in the state, went berserk and opened indiscriminate firing all the way from their camp at Said Mansoor to Chota Bazar in the densely populated downtown area of Srinagar. The troops' brutal action has resulted in the killing of 32 innocent Kashmiris and injuring of 22 others. The Hurriyat leaders and organizations have eulogized the sacrifices of 12th class student Tufail Muttu and martyrs of 2010 mass uprising. Tufail was killed after being hit by a tear gas shell fired from a very close range by Indian police near Ghani Memorial Stadium in Srinagar when he was returning home from tuition. Senior All Parties Hurriyat Conference leader and the president of Anjumani Sharia Agha Sayyid Hassan al-Moswi al-Safi, in a statement in Srinagar paying homage to the martyrs of Chota Bazar, said, "No power on earth can defeat the Kashmiris' liberation movement." The public relations in charge of All Parties Hurriyat Conference, Bilal Siddiqui, in a statement said that the people of Kashmir would fight the Indian illegal occupation till the last drop of their blood. He appealed to the United Nations, the OIC and the civilized world to take appropriate actions against India for its war crimes in occupied territory. Other Hurriyat leaders and organizations, including Engineer Hilal Ahmed War, Maulvi Bashir Ahmed, Yasmin Raja, Khwaja Firdos, Abdul Samad Inqalabi, Tehreek-e-Wahdat-e-Islami, Democratic Political Movement, National Front and Kashmir Freedom Front, in their statement said that the Kashmiri martyrs had rendered their lives for a sacred cause and their mission would be accomplished at all costs. A delegation of Jammu and Kashmir political resistance movement led by Dr. Musab visited the martyrs' graveyard at Eidgah in Srinagar to commemorate the martyrdom anniversaries of Chota Bazar martyrs and Tufail Muttu. The delegation also visited the family of Tufail Muttu. The High Court Bar Association of the Occupied Territory, in its statement in Srinagar, expressed solidarity with the family of Tufail Muttu. Tehreek-e-Kashmir UK on Friday organized a peaceful protest demonstration in Birmingham against India's war crimes in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. The protesters, carrying banners and placards in favor of Kashmir's complete freedom from Indian military occupation, sought exemplary punishment for the troops involved in the killing of innocent Kashmiris. A webinar titled The Resolution of Kashmir Dispute, Challenges and Response was organized by Kashmir Media Service today, which coincided with the anniversary of Chota Bazar massacre. Shahriyar Khan Afridi, Chairman Pakistan Kashmir Committee, British and European Union MPs and councillors, beside the leaders of Kashmiri diaspora in UK, US, Canada and Germany, attended the webinar. While discussing the grave situation prevailing in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir and complimenting the steadfastness of Kashmiri people, the participants stressed for the need of collective and systematic efforts to take the Kashmir issue more effectively at international forums. Meanwhile, Jummah prayers could not be held at historic Jamia Masjid, Dargah Hazratbal and other major mosques, shrines and Imam Bargahs in Srinagar and other areas of the occupied territory due to curfew and other restrictions imposed by the occupation authorities. And this is for now. Have a good night and keep listening Radio Sada Hurriyat Jammu Kashmir.